Have you ever looked at an AI-generated video, image, or piece of content and wondered how people are creating these things so quickly? It almost feels like magic. The truth is, powerful AI tools are becoming easier to use every day, and Google's latest AI technology is helping users create content, find information, and complete tasks faster than ever before. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started, what features you should know about, and a few tips that can help you get much better results right from the beginning. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. If you're interested in artificial intelligence, content creation, productivity tools, or simply want to stay updated with the latest technology, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to explore Google Omni AI step by step and see how beginners can start using it without any complicated setup. What is Google Omni AI? Before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly understand what this technology is all about. Over the past few years, AI has evolved rapidly. Instead of simply answering questions, modern AI systems can help generate ideas, write content, summarize information, assist with coding, and support many everyday tasks. Google's AI technology is designed to make interactions feel more natural and useful. Rather than spending hours searching through different websites, users can ask questions, request explanations, brainstorm ideas, and receive assistance in a much faster way. This makes AI useful for students, content creators, business owners, freelancers, developers, and even everyday users who simply want to save time. Step 1. Getting started. The first thing you'll need is a Google account. Open your preferred browser and access Google's AI platform. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access the available AI features connected to your account. Depending on your location and account type, the interface may look slightly different. That's completely normal because Google often introduces new features gradually. After logging in, spend a few moments exploring the dashboard. Getting familiar with the interface will make everything easier as you move forward. Step 2. Understanding how AI works. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it automatically knows exactly what users want. In reality, AI performs best when it receives clear instructions. Think of AI as an extremely intelligent assistant. The more specific your request is, the better the response tends to be. For example, if you ask a very broad question, you'll usually receive a broad answer. If you provide details and context, the AI can generate something much more useful. That's why learning how to communicate with AI effectively is one of the most valuable skills you can develop. Step 3. Writing better prompts. Let's talk about prompts because this is where most beginners struggle. Imagine you type something simple like, "Write a blog post." The AI can certainly do that, but the result may not match exactly what you had in mind. Now compare that with a more detailed request. Write a beginner-friendly blog post explaining artificial intelligence. Use simple language, include practical examples, and keep the tone informative and easy to understand. Notice the difference? The second instruction provides context, direction, and expectations. This allows the AI to generate a much stronger response. The same principle applies whether you're creating articles, video scripts, study notes, business plans, coding projects, or social media content. Step 4. Real-world uses. So how are people actually using AI today? Content creators use it to brainstorm video ideas, create outlines, and speed up script writing. Students use it to simplify difficult topics and organize study materials. Developers often use AI to understand code, troubleshoot problems, and explore new concepts. Business owners use it to generate marketing ideas, improve communication, and save time on repetitive tasks. The possibilities continue to grow as AI technology becomes more capable and accessible. Step 5. tips that can improve your results. Now let's go over a few practical tips that can help you get better results. First, be as clear as possible when writing prompts. Second, tell the AI exactly what format you want. For example, you can request a list, article, summary, script, or step-by-step guide. Third, describe the tone. Do you want something professional, friendly, educational, or persuasive? Fourth, don't be afraid to refine your request. Most experienced users improve results by adjusting their prompts and asking follow-up questions. And finally, save your best prompts. Over time, you'll build a collection of instructions that consistently produce useful results. Common mistakes beginners make many new users expect perfect answers immediately. While AI can be incredibly helpful, it's important to remember that the quality of the output often depends on the quality of the input. Another common mistake is providing very little information and expecting highly detailed results. Taking a few extra seconds to write a clear instruction can make a huge difference. It's also a good habit to review important information and verify details whenever accuracy matters. Conclusion. And that's a beginner-friendly overview of how to start using Google Omni AI effectively. Once you understand how to communicate with AI and write better prompts, you'll quickly discover just how useful these tools can be for learning, creating, and improving productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.